Friends, many times we have business ideas of products and services that we want to sell, but we don't know how to reach out to our potential customers because we think the marketing our products and services requires a lot of money. But today I'm going to tell you how can you use digital marketing to market your products and services with extremely low cost or budget. So let's get into this. So first of all, let's understand what is digital marketing. So digital marketing is nothing but marketing your products and services online using digital platforms. Now, which are those digital platforms? It could be Google search, it can be Facebook, it can be Instagram, it can be even email marketing. But anything that you are selling online with any online internet-based platforms is considered as a part of digital marketing efforts. So digital marketing is not only cheaper, but it's also much more convenient. Let me give you an example. If you want to run an ad in a television for a particular channel in a particular program for a particular time slot, you have to pay a lot of money to book the deal, to book that slot and actually get your ad running. You definitely cannot do that with a budget of around 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees because you will not be able to get a foot in the door. And also, it's not very easy to book a slot in any channel or in any program. You have to have some kind of accesses to get to the right contacts and book those deals, and it's an extended process. It takes time. But in digital marketing, you can, number one, run an advertisement for over a month with only 1000 or 2000 rupees. And not only that, you don't even need any access, contact or any waiting period to get your ads running. It's almost instant. So now I'll tell you 4 things that you will need to get started in digital marketing. Number 1, you need a budget. Now that budget could be as low as 1000 or 2000 rupees per month. And you know what? Even lesser than that. Yes, you heard it right. It can be as low as even 300 or 500 rupees per month to get started in a digital marketing campaign. Number 2, you need a landing page. So landing page could be anything. It can be a website, it can be a Google form, it can be a Facebook page, it can be a YouTube channel, it can be an Android app, it can be anything. Basically an online place where you are selling your products and services. Number 3, you need to have a basic idea of who your customers are. Who are you selling your products and services to? That can be the understanding of where your customers are based, which city, country, etc. What is the age group of your customers? Is it 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 45, and so on? Are your customers male or female? What do they search in Google? What is their income level? What are their interests? You have to have an overall basic idea about your customers. This will enable to create a setting which will help you to show your advertisements only to those who will be more likely to buy your products and services. Number 4, you need an ad copy or creative or the advertisement itself, which you want to show to potential customers. That can be text advertisement that you can show during Google search. That can be video advertisement that you can show during YouTube views. That can be banner ads or display ads which you can run in Instagram or Facebook. Basically, you need an advertisement or ad copy that you want to run to your potential customers. Based on which platform you are using to market your products and services, you can create your ad copy accordingly. So to summarize, you only need 4 things to start your digital marketing initiatives. Number 1, you need a budget that can be as low as 1000 or 2000 rupees per month. You need a landing page, which is a place online where you are selling your products and services. That can be a website, that can be an app, that can be a Google form, that can be a Facebook page, that can be anywhere that you are selling your products and services. Number 3, you need to understand who you are selling to. Who are your target audience? Is it male? Is it female? What is their age group? Where are they located? What do they do? What is their income, and so on? A basic idea of the audience or customer profile. And number 4, that is, you need to have the advertisement itself. That can be a text search copy that you will run in Google search. That can be a video ad which you can run in YouTube, or that can be a banner or a display ad that you can run in Facebook or Instagram as well. So I hope you got an idea regarding what you need to start digital marketing for your products and services. So if you want to sell anything online, do consider digital marketing because it's cheap, it's very cheap, and it's very convenient to start with. In my subsequent videos, I will practically hands-on show you how you can create your first digital marketing campaign in Google AdWords to run in Google search or YouTube or in Facebook or Instagram. So do subscribe my channel to get the notification when it releases. And if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button under the video, and also don't forget to share this with others who you think will benefit out of it. See you in the next video.